Welcome to another video on how to contact Western Union customer support. I'm Akin from Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. To contact Western Union customer support, go to the official Western Union website at www.westernunion.com. On the website homepage, scroll down to the very bottom until you see the support section, and now click on Contact Us or Customer Support. Now, in the next page, Western Union provides several options for contacting their customer support, including phone, email, and live chat. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you prefer to speak with a representative over the phone, you will find a phone number listed for your country, or you would find a link, so click on that link. And Western Union also offers a live chat option where you can chat with a customer support representative in real time. This option is often convenient if you have specific questions or need immediate assistance. So once you've chosen your preferred contact method, follow the instructions provided to get in touch with Western Union customer support. And remember to have any relevant information or documents ready when contacting customer support to help expedite the resolution of your query or issue. So that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.